we will cover the DNS Edge feature of Set Maximum TTL. The ability to set maximum TTL values at the namespace level allows our customers to increase resiliency of their critical infrastructure by leveraging DNS data to reduce the risk. In one use case, by implementing a zero-cache model, policy change reaction times are greatly enhanced, and thus reduce the risk exposure timelines. Since the DNS resolution service will not cache responses, either negative or positive, then a new or reconfigured block policy will have its actions enacted as soon as the policy is consumed by the service. In another example, setting a higher TTL value for applications, the content that is served does not change often. This helps increase the resiliency of the communication with this application, as any downtime will be mitigated by a longer cache response going out to client machines. Once you are logged into DNS Edge, move your cursor to the top left-hand corner and click on the hamburger menu icon. From there, under the DNS Service Applications, you can choose the namespace. Now you can either edit an existing namespace to change its TTL value, or this can be a part of creating a brand new namespace. For the sake of this demo, we'll create a new namespace. We will set the namespace name, a description, and then we will configure the additional values that we wish to have for this namespace. And this is where you will find the set maximum TTL value. Once a user clicks on this box, they will then be presented with a secondary field that will allow them to enter the time in seconds that will enforce the maximum TTL for every query that will be satisfied by this namespace. Originally, this particular feature was called short TTL and enforced the maximum TTL of 60 seconds. In the case of customers who've already been utilizing the short TTL feature, that 60-second rule will continue to be enforced. What they will see on their screen is that the set maximum TTL checkbox will appear, and the maximum TTL value field here will be represented by the value of 60 seconds. Once a user has completed configuring their namespace, they can go ahead and click Save, and then apply this namespace to whichever site that they require.